Hey there, it's Tally, and in this video we will be reviewing the denial process for FFL vendor transfers. We are going to review two use cases today. First up, the firearm is denied transfer by the FFL. The second case, the background check comes back denied. In this first case, our buyer has just filled out the E4473 form and has returned to the counter. From the Bravo dashboard, search, then select the customer, and now choose Pending Transactions from the left side of the screen. Highlight the correct firearm and then choose OK. Bravo has automatically returned problematic responses, and as mentioned before, we are going to outright deny this transfer. Bravo prompts a warning and select OK. Sign the incomplete did not transfer form and then choose Accept. Now choose Firearm in Process and then Refund and then Next, and finally save to process the return or hold cancel. Next, we need to let Bravo know the firearm is going back to the seller, so drop down the third-party transfers and then choose All Active. Highlight your transaction and choose Cancel Transfer from the right, and then Save and Yes to confirm the cancellation. Now this item is in your inventory under Price Items, where you can return it back to the original FFL. Right-selecting the item and then choosing Item History shows all of the actions so far taken with this firearm. Now we have to create a transfer to send the firearm back to the original FFL. Head over to Bravo's dashboard and drop down the Inventory menu and select Transfer Inventory. Select Store to Vendor as your transfer type, confirming we're returning it to the supplier. The next step, search for the dealer by typing in their business name, and once you spot them, hit Select to attach them to the transfer. You can then scan or manually enter the inventory number of the item you're returning. Got all the items listed? Great, just hit Save. The transfer details will print, and then the next step is to pack and ship the item back to the original FFL. Now on to our second case, the background check comes back denied. Our buyer has just filled out the E4473 form and has returned to the counter, and from the Bravo dashboard, search and then select your customer, and now choose Pending Transactions from the left, highlight the correct firearm, and then choose OK. The form passed first review. Employees pop up the E4473 here for a second review. Everything looks great. Let's enter that ID info, starting with the type, issuing authority, ID number, and finally the expiration date. And now accept the E4473. Bravo next moves us into the background check, where our customer is immediately denied. Select the Denied button and then enter the NTN number and then choose Next. Bravo prompts for a signature for the Incomplete Did Not Transfer form, then choose Accept, then Next, and Save to confirm the Cancel Hold status. Next, we need to let Bravo know the firearm is going back to the seller. Drop down the third-party transfers from the left and then choose All Active. Highlight your transaction and then choose Cancel Transfer from the right, and then Save and Yes to confirm your changes. Now this item is in your inventory under Price Items, where you can return it back to the original FFL. Right-selecting the item and then choosing Item History shows all of the actions so far taken with this firearm. That's it! Now you know how to complete a denied FFL vendor transfer. For more information, check out our Solution Center or give us a call at 888-407-6287. Thanks, and have a great day.